What is going on, everybody? Today we are playing at the Sawmill Golf Course here in Saginaw, Michigan. I can tell you right now, taking 2 weeks off with no golf, I can only imagine how bad I'm going to do. But nevertheless, guys, I'm going to go ahead and jump off the front here. We're playing the blues. There is the blacks right here, which I would like to play, but I don't think I'm going to do good at all. Depending on how the front nine goes, I might just play the whites. But I guess we'll see what happens. You never know. I could do good, which I highly doubt it. Today's goal is just try to hit 9 pars out of 18 holes. If I can do that, I'd be happy. If not, then it is what it is. We're back to being outside. So hang tight, guys. Let's have a fun round. Should be good. I just want to give a huge shout out to the SVSU team for allowing me to pass, because normally if I'm a solo out playing and there's a group in front of me, they never let me pass. So thank you guys so much for having golf etiquette. I appreciate it. Good par. Tapped it. A little bit deep. Good par. Good par. That was a bad hit, but it still worked right off the toe. Should have just trusted my gut. Good bogey. I read the putt going left to right, but when I was standing over the ball, it looked like it was going right to left. Should have just trusted my gut. It is what it is. 2 over. I think that's good. I really couldn't tell. This ground is uneven. Club can't lay flat. I might end up towing this. Ah, shoot. I went a little bit deep. That rolled a lot more than what I wanted it to. Good bogey. That was a hell of a shot. Some worms all over the place. Good attempt, right? Good par. Hit the tree. Oh, no. Too far. You know, at least I gave it enough, right? I missed on the right side. Double. Pegged it on the middle. Every time with my 3-wood, dude. That's what it should look like. Went over the green though, too much club. That is a massive divot. King Kong must have been out here playing. True story, I've seen him out here. Wow, that was weird. Stop, don't go down the big old hill. And it's down the big old hill. Good bogey. Honestly, I couldn't tell you what I shot off of the front 9 here. I put it somewhere in the corner. I think it was 5 over par, possibly 6 over par. I'm not doing bad, but I'm also not doing good. So let's go off the back and pray to God we can fix some of those problems. Somebody left a free tee over here. Heck yeah, dude. Let's see if it's good luck or bad luck. So far, good luck. My ball hit right here, came straight back. And I barely tapped that. Good par. And she gone, right into the woods. Been doing so good, all up until right now. Gotta love it. I was gonna look for my ball, but yeah, I don't think I'm gonna find anything over there. But as long as you guys are all right with this, I think I'm just gonna drop right here and call it good. Because I didn't go in here hard. Like, it was just on the right side of the trees, and I heard a knock, but still, I didn't see where it landed, and if I did, it's somewhere right there. So, yeah, I'm not gonna jump in that water. That's over. I think that's a 6. Found my ball, but I am not playing in that. I'm just gonna drop the ball right here, call it good. I pushed it. Oh, nope, that ball's gone. Come on, dude. I had the right direction, just I sent it straight. Good news is I see a ball over across this lovely little standing water. And again, I really don't know what the rules and regulations of this is going to be, but first things first, let's go confirm to see if that's my ball. Found a couple of balls over there, but none were mine. I've also seen a lot of balls just in that standing water there, which I'm not gonna mess around with. I'm just gonna go ahead and drop over here. Again, standing water. If that water wasn't there, I'm pretty sure I'd be able to play my ball, but I'm just gonna take a drop back here and call it good. Good part. Or bogey, whatever it is. I personally feel like if my ball wasn't in that standing water, then I would have been able to found it, play it forward, 2 putts for par. I don't know. You guys let me know down in the comments below if that's cheating or not. But still, I'm here to have a fun time. I got to break off the dust that I have. Haven't played in what, 2 weeks now? Granted, the last 2 holes definitely got the best of me. I feel like all the motivation that I had to keep moving forward just like dropped. The momentum shifted. But with that par right there, or bogey, you guys let me know. I'm gonna hopefully fix the drive on the next hole. Maybe I'm just being too hard on myself. It's not like I hit it out of bounds or anything this time. I can actually play it, but the problem is, can we find it? Almost every single spot on the fairways that I've noticed off this back nine, there's standing water. And that's where all the problems become, because I don't know what to do there. Is it a drop? Is it a free drop? I don't know. You guys let me know down in the comments down below. Topped it. Oh boy. Hi, buddy. That's right, you can jump in the pond. Please don't attack me. Thank you. Even though I'm playing bad, I'm really enjoying myself out here. That's gonna roll off. And that's kind of what it's all about, right? As long as you're out here having fun, enjoying yourself, well, it's yourself playing the course or you and your friends playing the course, that's ultimately what it's all about. Granted, I know I'm doing really bad this back nine, but at least I'm out, right? I'd rather be outside playing in the rain, in the snow, in the storms, you name it, than being cooped up inside the house all day. On to putting. Good bogey. I can live with that. Hey, at least it's not a double. I'll take a bogey all day, but let's see if we can at least par. What is the last 3 holes? Last 2 holes? Let's see if we can par them. I lost it in the sun. It looked like it was going straight towards the flag though. Oh yeah, we're on. Good par. That's 1 par, 2 or 3 more left. I'm a little bit off the green. I should have brought my sand wedge to kind of get the ball to check up a little bit because it is all downhill. Good par. I thought that was gonna rim out. You know what? At least I'm keeping my promise to you guys, right? All these, same one that I found, same thing with that one. But to be fair, I'll donate this one to it. So if I don't break this one, they can have it, whoever has it next. Good shot. You can have that. Donate to the golf gods. To be honest with you guys, I came super close of getting it in this. I plugged it right there and my ball came back. Caught that off the hill a little bit. I'm just shy or just on. Good par. All right, we're on a hot streak. I feel like I'm a little bit warmed up now. All the momentum is starting to come back. Last hole, let's see if we can do it. Honestly, if I can make it in greens and regulations and hit my 3-wood good, I'd be so happy with that. Hole 18, here we come. Oh yeah, that's it. Absolutely. Smoked that one. Yes, come back down that hill. Come on, keep coming back down the hill. All right, we're good. I don't want to jinx myself, but I think I can par this last hole. Oh, thank God. Good game. That's right, by myself. Now that is what I'm talking about. That is some pretty good golf there for the last 4 holes. Like I said, I haven't golfed in the last 2 weeks, and that's what I was able to pull off. You can't be mad at that. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. If you guys want to see me play any other courses, anywhere in the world, if I can do it, I'll definitely try to make that happen. But I'll see you guys in the next one. As always, guys, Captain out. Time to get some food because I'm starving.